Good morning everyone and welcome to your English class. Today the topic that we are going to do is comprehension. Okay, comprehension means you have to read the passage and you have to answer the questions. Okay, or the passage can be seen or unseen. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. See, in passage writing, comprehension means to understand. First, you have to understand what passage you are reading is about whom. The passage that is being given, it is about what, it is related to what. First, you have to understand that. Okay. Therefore, to be a good and mature reader, it is important to develop and improve one's ability to comprehend. Means you have to develop the ability to read whatever is written in the comprehension. Okay, it should be very clear in your mind what the passage is about and what message it is trying to give. Okay, a comprehension exercise consists of a passage. It consists of a passage, okay, based on which some questions are set to the test to test the student's ability to understand the passage. Okay, there are some questions given in the passage regarding the passage, which you have to solve. Why it is given? It is given to test your ability, that how much you have understood the passage. Okay, and the questions are also based on the passage itself. Keep the following points in mind while attempting the questions. You have to keep these following points in mind when you attempt the questions. Okay, it is important to read the passage carefully to be able to understand, to able to answer the questions. See, you have to read the passage very carefully to understand the questions, that what the answer should be. You have to you should have the ability to answer the questions. Okay, study the questions thoroughly and answer the points. And you have to study the questions very carefully, and you have to answer the questions to the point. Okay, what it is asked, you have to answer that particular question. You don't have to write the whole passage, or answer should not be more than 2 or 3 lines. Okay, not more than that. Answer will never be that big. It will be point to point. Okay, your answer should be point to point. Be brief and simple in your answers. You have to answer the questions briefly, means is short and sweet, and in simple language. Okay, simple means it should be simple, it should be understood what you are trying to answer. Okay, so this is how you have to solve a comprehension. You have to read the passage very carefully, what is written in the passage, and you have to answer questions to the point, and it should not be more than 2 or 3 lines, and it should be in brief. Okay, in simple language, and point to point answer. Okay, what is asked, you have to give the simple answer. Okay, I will be giving you a passage to read and answer the questions. Okay, so that you will understand it more better how to solve a comprehension. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask. Thank you.